Hi and welcome back again to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Today I'm going to make coconut butter, which is made from just one simple ingredient, desiccated coconut. Or you could use shredded coconut if that's what you have. And basically all you do is just blend it till you form a nice smooth paste. And this makes a great spread. You can use it instead of nut butter. If you're allergic to nuts or you just want to change, it's a delicious spread. You can also use it as a dip, or you could use it as a frosting on cakes or cookies, or you could put a bit on top of ice cream and it would form a nice hard shell on the top. Or you can use it actually in many recipes, sometimes in place of like coconut oil or coconut cream. So it's just such a delicious, easy thing to make. And you don't have to add any sugar either because it has its own natural sweet flavour. So, I mean, at the end you could add other flavourings. If you wanted it as a frosting, for example, you could add a bit more, like say maple syrup and vanilla into it, and any other flavouring or any spices. But just on its own with coconut, it just has its own lovely, sweet, delicious flavour. So to start with, you just put 4 cups of the coconut into a food processor and then just blend it. And it does take a long time to blend, like at least 10 minutes, maybe a bit longer. So you just got to be persistent and like stop it every 2 minutes and scrape it down, and eventually you'll end up with this lovely smooth spread at the end. So it's been blending for about 4 minutes, clumped together. So you can see how the paste is starting to form. So just keep blending. Okay, so it's about 10 minutes. It's still not a paste, but it's getting there. You can see how it's all sticking together. So we'll just keep going. Okay, so it's been blending for more than 15 minutes, and as you can see, it's formed into a nice smooth paste. Okay, so once you've finished making your coconut butter, you can just store it in a clean jar. And you can store it in the fridge for a long time, but it will go really hard. So you'll have to warm it to use it. Or you could store it outside of the fridge for probably about 2 weeks. And even then, if the weather is cold, it may go hard. So you just stand it in a bit of warm water just to heat it up a little bit before you use it. But if your weather's quite warm, it'll probably stay like this. So our delicious coconut butter is ready to use. And just another tip, if you only want a very small amount to use for a recipe, you can make it in a spice grinder as well. And that actually will make it really fast, probably in about 2 minutes, and you'll get a smooth paste like that. But obviously it's only for small amounts. Enjoy! So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.